Hey Glam Fam, what's up? So today we have our Ipsy Glam Bag. Yes, we do. If you don't already know, Ipsy is a beauty subscription that costs $10 a month. You can get it on Ipsy.com. You fill out a fast profile and they give you products that are custom to your likes, skin tone, hair color, whatever. So if you want to see what's inside my glam bag this month, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we're going to put the intro in right now. Let's do this.
I just want to show you off. I don't want to do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
I'm just going to open it up really fast. We're going to make this super duper fast. This is the bag this month. First, let me dump out the products to show you the inside of the bag. This is the inside of the bag. Then, of course, it has a little Ipsy. Oh, and by the way, with Ipsy, you get 5 full-size or travel-friendly beauty products and a nice bag every month. Okay? So here's the bag. It's like a faux leather. It's really nice. Then it comes with this card. Usually I don't read it, but this one looks kind of cute. Usually I toss it. But it says, Happy Friendsgiving. Thankful for and 5 emojis and go. And then it says there's no emoji for highlighter. And I'm all about highlighter. So that's the card. Okay, let's get into the first product. The first product is Marc Anthony's True Professional Strictly Curls Perfect Curl Miracle Treatments. I mean, there's no way for you guys to test this, but this is a nice size right here for Ipsy. And it has a really nice consistency. I don't have curls, but sometimes when my hair is wet, I have waves. I'll use it just for the smell. It smells like lemons. It's absolutely wonderful. I like that. I'm happy with that product. Okay. The next thing is Skyn Iceling Brightening Eye Serum. It says it brightens the under eyes. It has hydrochloric acid. You know, I'm all about these with these eyes that I have. Let's try it on right now. They have no makeup on, just brows and a little mascara. Feels good. Feels kind of tightening too. I doubt it's going to do anything. These are probably one of those things that do it over time. But I'm not mad at skin products. I'm good with that. Okay, then the next thing we have is Blush Crush Little. So it says Latte London Blush Crush Zac Powder Blush. Okay, let's open it up. So it comes in one of these. So the color is Zac, literally Z-A-C. This is a beautiful color for like a deeper skin tone like mine or a little darker. A nice mauve color. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M427 and give it a shot. There's not a lot of kickback. Oh, this is good. This is super pigmented, actually. I think I might have went too crazy. Look a little clowny.
Beep, beep, Richie.
Anyway, I like it. I like getting blush, you know. Let me just blend it out a little bit more. Soften that bad boy up. So as you can see, it's very, very pigmented. I can swatch it for you guys. It's a big size pan, like, and it's a nice buttery consistency. Let's swatch it right here. That's a good color for a blush. I like this color. And the next thing I got here is Nude Beach Nude Eyeshadow from the Balm Cosmetics. Life's a Beach, and the color is in Brave. So it looks like, let's go ahead and swatch it with a clean finger. It feels buttery. If you ever use the Balm products, you already know. Let's swatch it. It's just a nice color for the fall. It looks like it blends out good. The last thing I got, look at how cute this is. It's a lippy velvet lip tint, Peri Para. And it's in the color number 9, Love Sniper Red. And it comes in like this little fake purse, which is going to go in the trash. But look at the little container. I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot and put it on my lips. This is the applicator. It's very tiny. This is a very, very, very pretty color. It's like a strawberry red. If this doesn't dry, I'm not going to like the consistency of it. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to like it. It feels like it would wipe right off as soon as I like drink something. It's too creamy. Maybe I applied too much. Well, anyways, that's it for this month's Ipsy Glam Bag. I like the color. I don't know if I'm really crazy about the lippy, but everything else, the conditioner, the eye serum, the blush, and the eyeshadow, I'm all about. Can't ever have enough of those. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm going to be doing a 100 subscriber giveaway very soon. I love you guys so, so, so much. That's for real. If you spend time with me, you're in my family. Whole day, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.